Hello, welcome back everybody. My name is Paul Saunders. I'm General Secretary of UAIS at University of Alberta. And today we're going to go through installing Miniconda. Now, first let's quickly explain what Miniconda is. It's basically both a package manager and a manager for virtual environments in Python. It's a subset of Anaconda, which is a scientific and data science distribution of Python. But for today's purposes, all we really need is Miniconda, which is just basically the terminal interface. If you like using Miniconda, you might want to think about installing Anaconda, but chances are you won't need to because Miniconda has quite a lot of stuff in it and you should be fine. So to install Miniconda, please go to docs.conda.io/n/latest/Miniconda, or just follow the link in the description. That will probably be a lot easier. And then you'll want to click on the installer that matches the OS you're currently working on. So you have Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Just make sure you always click Python 3.7, never Python 2.7. So once you click on the installer that matches your system, it's going to ask if you want to install the executable. So go ahead and click yes. Now it will take a bit of time to install just because it's quite a large installer, but just wait for that to finish and then I should catch you on the other side. So now that your Miniconda installer has completed its downloading, you're going to want to click and open up the installer. Just click next, agree. Make sure you read the text file, not like I just did. Make sure you agree to that entire legal form. Then you're going to want to install for just me. Click next. You're going to want to set the destination folder. Click next. Now, this part is interesting because they don't recommend adding Miniconda3 to your path environment variable because it essentially make the Anaconda Python come before the system version of Python. And it's possible that that'll cause issues. Chances are that it won't cause any issues. It's only going to be a problem in some rare cases. If you're unsure, I would just do a bit more research and see if you should click this or not. I don't think there's going to be a problem. This is the way that I download it, and I haven't had any issues so far. So once you've figured out what you want to do here, you're going to want to click install, go through the whole system, and after that, you should have Miniconda 3. So make sure you smash that like button, and I will see you in the next video where I go through how to work with Miniconda.